welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. If you love learning how to cook with nutrient-dense ingredients, you're in the right place. Today, we're gonna do zucchini breakfast cookies. You heard me right, cookies for breakfast. Yep, I can have cookies for any meal. I freely admit that, but this is a nutrient-dense way to get vitamins, fiber, and have cookies for breakfast. So let's get started. All right. This recipe could not be any simpler. It's basically throw a bunch of ingredients in a bowl, bake it, and you got cookies. So couldn't get any easier than that. So we're gonna start with 3/4 of a cup of rolled oats, a 1/4 cup of ground flax seeds. We've got 3/4 cup of a grated zucchini. This still has the peel on, and after I grated it, I just kind of patted it dry with some paper towels just to kind of get that extra moisture out. This is going to provide moisture for our cookies, but you don't want them overly wet, so that's why you pat them dry a little bit. So there's 3/4 of a cup of zucchini, which has been grated. If you have a medium zucchini, that's probably fine. You probably don't have to measure it out. Got a 1/3 of a cup of almond butter, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're just gonna mix that all up and make cookies. These will probably kind of not really come together super fast depending on how moist your almond butter is. Some of the challenge is getting all the oils out of it without making it really difficult to work with. And if you're like me, I usually start with a mixing spoon and then I go to my hands because I can get in there better. Okay, and this is gonna make 8 cookies. So you wanna kind of make a ball with your cookie dough. And you're gonna place it on a parchment paper lined baking pan. Okay, now we're gonna flatten these just a little bit with our hands, just so they cook evenly. All right, and this is what they're gonna look like going into the oven. These are gonna cook at a 375-degree oven for about 14 minutes. Let's see what Mr. Cake up to. He's just a hi. Say hi to everybody, Mr. Cakers. He's such a handsome little boy. He just woke up from a nap. All right, here's what the cookies look like once they come out of the oven. They look absolutely delicious. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you, have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.